Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is Dog, and this is my kitchen, where I'll be bringing you affordable restaurant quality foods, or better, from my home to yours. Guys, let's get cooking. Okay guys, we're going to jump right into it today. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make the best delicious tender beef liver gravy and rice. Okay? And here's my liver right here. What I'm doing right now is just letting it all dry out and all that stuff, trying to get all that water out of there. You can see most of it's going out of there. So I have it in the calendar. Okay, I'm gonna be making like 2 batches of this. I have like 8 slices of those beef livers. I have a half onion because a lot of people don't eat onions, so that's why I'm gonna be making 2 different kinds. All right. I have some rice over here. I have 2.5 cups of rice. That's jasmine rice right here. Now I washed my rice off. You know, I'm gonna put some salt in it and I'm gonna cook it halfway. Then I'm gonna take it out and wash it again, like 3 to 4 times. Then I'm gonna fill it up just to the top of the rice and let it cook for about, total cooking time on it should be like, the first time should be like, I don't know, about 10 minutes. And then the second time I let it go for about 8 minutes. And then if any water I have in there, I let it, I drain it out or whatever. Okay? Alright, so you're going to need some flour. This is garlic. I'm going to use that too. And I do have some portobello mushrooms that I'm going to put in there. That's why it's going to be a savory gravy. So here's the flour right here. I already seasoned it up. This is like 1.5 cups of flour right here, all purpose. I put a teaspoon of black pepper. I put a teaspoon of granulated garlic, and I put a teaspoon of onion powder. I put a half a teaspoon of oregano. I put a teaspoon of poultry seasoning in it, and I put a half a teaspoon of salt in it. And here's my beef gravy, my beef broth that I'm gonna be incorporating. And I have some heavy whipping cream right here to make it smooth. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and jump right into it. First thing first, we're gonna go ahead and get started with our rice and let that cook for 10 minutes. Then we're gonna wash it off. I know I already told you that. Then we're gonna let it cook for 8 minutes. Any leftover water in there, we're just gonna go ahead and discard it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and see you in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. While the rice is going and cooking, I'm cooking it on medium high. We're just gonna go ahead and get our liver together. So when you mess with this liver, remember guys, it's super soft. So just be gentle. So I'll just place mine in there like so. I'm gonna do 2 pieces of these. So go slow. All right. And all we're going to do is just shake that up in this container. So if you guys get like these containers from the Chinese store, save them, because you can use them for a lot of different things. This is all I'm doing, shaking them up. Okay, we just want to flour that up real good. Drench it real well. See that? That's all you want to do. And that's why I put all the seasoning and all this stuff on here. You want to sear it, get a nice little brown color on it. Flip it over. It shouldn't take you no more than probably about, I'd say about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. I got my skillet warming up. I got olive oil in mine. I try to use safe grease, okay? Because some greases are not good for you. here's the other one. So this is all you guys want to do. And I'm going to take you guys over there and show you how we put these together. Let me start frying them up rather. I want some more on there. Okay, see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. So if we can place this one in the skillet. It's not all the way hot like I want it to be, so I'm gonna turn this up on 4, medium low, but 4. That should be enough right there. You don't want to overcrowd your skillet. So we're going to let that fry up. And I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. See how it's starting to sweat? That's when you want to turn it. Ever so easily. Just like that. So this one might get turned again. Let that cook up. I'll be back in a minute. So we're going to turn this one more time. See if I can get to it. And I'll be back in about 1 minute. Okay, I'm back. I'm going to take these bad boys out. Put those in the other pan. Like that. These little bits and stuff like that. I'm going to fish those out. A spatula or something and try to fish those things up, because we got to put some more in there, right? Alright, go ahead and put some more in there. They cook up pretty fast. Keep that around. So you might want to do like 2 or 3 of them at a time, just to make sure they cooked up, fry up pretty good. Alright. See you guys in a minute. Matter of fact, I'm gonna just continue to fry out the rest of these up, and I'll show you what we'll be doing next, okay? In a minute. So here's my rice. See all that cloudy stuff? We're gonna get that up out of there. It's not all the way done yet. We wouldn't want it all the way done. We want it close to being done. Then I'm going to strain all that cloudy stuff out and go from there. See you in a minute. Okay guys, it's been about a good 10 minutes on the rice. See how it's getting fluffier? Not quite done. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash this off about 3 or 4 times till the water's clear and distill it to the edge of it. See you in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. That's your rice. Been rinsed out about 3 to 4 times in cold water, not hot water, cold water. We want to stop the cooking process. And you see how I filled it just right to the to the top of it? It's got a little crunch to it, so that's what I'm saying. It's going to carry it on out. Okay? So that's that. I'm going to go ahead and take you back over here to these livers. Get our onions chopped up and our garlic. I'll show you what we'll be doing next in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. Took all most of the debris out. And just put some olive oil in there. Like a tablespoon. Put some butter in there. Tablespoon. Got my garlic. It's on really low, okay? So don't worry about it. Chop me up some of this garlic. Should have chopped it up ahead of time. Get our onion. I'm gonna just cut mine down the middle like this. Then I'm just gonna slice like this. Let this start sauteing up. I'll be right back. Put some of these mushrooms up in there. Baby portobellos, or they call them bellows. Alright. That's about enough. Turn this up. I'll saute this up, guys. Go ahead and put some salt and pepper on that. A little bit of garlic salt. Garlic pepper. That's a quarter of that. We're just gonna saute that up, guys, and I'll be back. Hold on. Let's go one more thing. Got some red chili flakes. Not a lot. Dang, I put too much in my hands already. Just a crown, see? That's it. Alright. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, you want them cooked down about like that. Go ahead and take these out. And we start working on that gravy in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. Go ahead and start incorporating some of this flour in here. This is the same flour I used for the battering of it. I put some more butter and some more olive oil in there. So we just want to start stirring this in. Turn it up a little bit. Start scrape these seasonings that's in there. Alright. At this point we ain't got to worry about darkening it up and none of that stuff. That's going to come later. We take our beef broth. Like so. That's a half container of this. So that was like 15 ounces. We're just going to stir that. That flour like mixed up in there. The rice doing amazing. Let me go ahead and check on that. This is the rice. It still got a little water in it, which is good because we need that little water. Now at this point, if we wanted to put a little salt in it now, you can. I might as well go ahead, quarter teaspoon of that in there. Alright, let's check on that gravy again. It's like it's bubbling. Yep. Looking good. Yeah. That's about how we want it. Let me see if I can put this over here. And I'm going to pour this in there. And it'll thicken up the rest of the way. Alright, we're going to turn it down because we don't want to cook it fast. Alright. Taste that gravy. Make sure it's on point. Tastes pretty good to me. It still got to cook that seasoning down, so you don't want to keep messing with it. So, but what we will do, I'm going to put a little soy in it. I was going to go with the mushroom flavor, but I think that'd be too much. It's darkening too much. So I'm going to put a little soy in this. Just like that. Put a lid on it and let it cook. Okay? Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, there it is. So the liver cooked for about good 30 minutes. The rice done. It's a tad bit sticky, more than I want it to be. I guess the brand of the rice that I bought, I'm not familiar with that brand, but it didn't work out that great for me, but it's still decent. Okay, I just like mine to fall apart. Okay, so anyway, that is the beef liver and gravy. I hope you guys enjoy it. That's that. Guys, give me a thumbs up. Let me know how I did. I hope you guys try it, because it is delicious. I should go ahead and I am not going to bite it yet because I didn't take a thumbnail. So anyway, I did taste the juice and stuff like that. Matter of fact, I can get a piece over here. So what I did was added a little balsamic vinegar to it, and it really heightened it. So here you guys bite right here. Let me see if I can focus that in for you guys. Probably not. I'm sorry about that, but this is y'all's. Go ahead and take that first bite. I hope you guys enjoy it. Okay, I'll go ahead and bite it for you guys. Pretty good. That balsamic vinegar really kicked it off. Kicked it off real good. So guys, please like and share this video. I'll be making restaurant quality foods, or better, from my home to yours. Guys, I'll see you next time in Veldal's Kitchen in a minute.